Hey, spin that one. Let me tell y'all right now, y'all can't really tell from the camera, but when I take the takeoff, it launches.
Okay.
The pedal response is so crazy, like that shit. It feels damn near like the SRT, but see the SRT is a little bit better because the response is a little bit different.
Yeah.
You don't really see too many Durangos all blue, like you see them gray, red, black. But when I tell you the blue looks so good,
It's like a baby blue or some shit like that. Yeah, metallic baby blue. Y'all can see it a little bit in the mirror right there, a little bit of the color.
I don't know, my heart was stuck on the fucking Hellcat.
Hellcat, but damn, this motherfucker here though.
Man, I'm telling
And then
you,
all that room in the back though.
Y'all gotta come to Tell a Dodge. Y'all gotta come and test at least a Durango. Either the Jeep. A lot of people been talking about the Jeeps, but man, when I tell you the Durango, it's pretty much it's damn near the same car. Like just based off of driving both of them, because I have drove the Jeep too before, but just being behind the wheel of the Durango, this is actually my first time. Like
driving a Durango. Man.
Sweet. Y'all see it? Got the Brembo brakes. Hey, look, you gotta show me. Got the Brembo brakes.
Damn.
Oh, this is 392. Yep, got the 392 badges on it. Man, y'all can see the couple.
Got that Mopar symbol on the front. Them lights though.
And see, this is another feature that the Jeep don't have. I noticed. There's an extra seat back here. Like,
Right, yeah.
because the Jeep, they don't really have an extra seat, do they? You know, third seat. No, it's not. See, you got the power of the Jeep, but you got a third row seat too. You got the
Damn, got the button on the trunk too? Damn.
You got a family car.
Yeah, a whole family car, but the power too though.
You got the family car you can take to the track and you can look good.
Damn, the TVs though.
Oh yeah, this is the TVs right here.
Ooh, this fully loaded though. Mopar seats, third row seat. Yeah, I damn near want one of these.
SRT edition.
Special edition too. It's a special edition. They don't even make these like that.
See, the only thing I changed with this is the seats.
The seats, yeah.
Like, you know, you see I got the white seats. I'll probably put like blue stitch in.
But not just that, material, like some leather or something. It'll clean easier. Oh, you gonna park it?
Yeah, we gotta see what's under the hood.
Oh, got to.
Oh yeah.
392 Hemi.
392 Hemi.
Yes, sir.
Pushing out pretty much close to almost about like 500 horsepower. I think. Y'all see that safety look.
That hood scoop too, though. That's nice.
And it got SRT Durango too.
Yeah.
So y'all might have a great Hellcat.
What did he say about driving
Hands
that?
up real quick. Look at the twin turret right there.
Oh yeah.
That's the same color.
You fuck around and get that too to match this.
That look like it got a little green in it. That shit.
That's cold. Yeah.
That color look probably like it almost got like a green.
I'm gonna run it too.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, the 319 is. Hell yeah. And this is not even with the torque converter and the supercharger. Park right here. I guess. Oh yeah. I don't even think I want it. Everybody got Jeeps.
Right, you know what I'm saying? This would be different.
This the edition right here, y'all see?
Yeah, that's that limited edition.
Limited edition.